Hi everyone. We'll start by going through the syllabus for the class and kind of talk about how things are going to be moving forward with this course. You are enrolled in Math 115, Intro to Statistics, in the CUSA section of the course in the summer of 2022 semester. The instructor will be myself, Jimmy Mixco. You can address me however you feel comfortable with. My email, jmixco@fontbonn.edu. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Office location, I always have this in my syllabus. It's not going to mean much for you. Same with office phone. With this being a fully remote class, I likely will not be in my office very much. And because we have different students in possibly different time zones, office hours set office hours may not make sense for everyone. So I will offer office hours over Zoom by appointment. So if there's ever a time you want to schedule with me, email me and we will figure it out, and I will send you a Zoom link for our meeting. If you have questions on anything or want to go over material or homework questions, anything like that, or anything you want to meet about instead of emailing is fine. Class time and place. This is an asynchronous online course. We do not meet at a regular time or a regular location. Please email me if you have any questions. I respond to your emails within 48 hours. Usually I respond much sooner, within a few hours typically. Textbooks, Essentials of Statistics, 6th edition by Mario Triola. Course description, you can go ahead and read that. General Intro to Statistics topics, and then kind of laying out all those details in more words. And this copy of the syllabus is available to you on Canvas in our Canvas course page. It can be found in the syllabus tab, or in the files section of our course Canvas page. If I bring that up really quick, we have a syllabus page where you can find the syllabus, or in the file section of Canvas you'll find the syllabus. The layout you see here may be different than how you will see it on yours, because instructor versus student view and things like that. But a lot of the materials and correspondence will be posted on Canvas. So moving on, more requirements. Here's kind of a rough schedule of how things will go. The first 2 weeks we'll cover Introduction to R, Plots, and Descriptive Statistics, our first exam being on June 17th. Weeks 3 and 4, Probability, Confidence Intervals, Hypothesis Testing, Correlation, Regression, and then exam 2 on July 1st. And then our fifth and last week together, chi-square and ANOVA, and then our final exam will be on this day. And we'll talk about what we're going to do for exams. And what I'm going to try to do for the schedule is upload probably on Mondays and Wednesdays. So on Mondays and Wednesdays I'll upload a new video to keep up with, so you can stay up to date on the videos and completing the homework assignments. Subject to change. We never know if things will get off schedule or change in some way. If it does, I will be in touch about that. We will be using RStudio in this course. It is free to download. To download RStudio, you need to download R also, which is free. I have a link to do that here. And for RStudio, if you have Windows, Mac, or Linux, you can download either of these. And if you have issues, please let me know. We will be using this right away in the course. Coursework, you will have homework, which is 250 points, 2 midterm exams, which are 250 points each, and a comprehensive final exam, which is 250 points. So the class is 1,000 points total. Right, so if you think about it, homework is a quarter of your grade, each exam is a quarter of a grade of your final grade, and the final exam is worth a quarter of your grade. How homework score will be calculated, all the assignments are different point values and they don't necessarily add up to 250 points. So the way I'm doing it is the number you've earned divided by the number possible and then scale it out of 250, and then I will round it up because more than likely it's going to be a decimal of some sort, so I'll just round it up to the nearest whole point. Then your final grade in the class will be determined in this table. Whatever range your final grade falls in, that is the letter grade you will receive in the course. I have the right to lower these cutoffs, but I'll never raise them. What that means is at the end of the semester, if for some reason I want it to be a 920 points to be an A instead of 930, I can do that. I can lower that, but I'm never going to make it harder. I may drop this to 920, but I'll never make it 950. I'll never make it any harder to receive any grade in this table. I don't necessarily make any changes at the end of the semester. It just all depends on various factors. Much of the course content will be communicated through email and Canvas, and you should be diligent in checking both of those often. Late work is not accepted. Homework with all due dates are posted on Canvas. And how that's going to work is any homework on a topic pertaining to exam 1 is going to be due by the first exam date, June 17th. Any homework relevant to topics on the second exam will be due by July 1st. And all of the dates for the assignments are in Canvas already. And you can see that in the assignments tab on Canvas. If I go to assignments, it's all here. So homeworks 1, 2, and 3 are over exam 1 material. You see it's due at the end of June 16th. And these dates and times, you know, that this at my time may be different than this day in your time zone. So, I mean, there's a little bit of flexibility around time zones and such. Homeworks 4, 5, 6, and 7 are due by June 30th. Remember, the second exam date is July 1st. Okay, and again, we have some flexibility in the timing because of different time zones. And then our last homework is due the class before the final exam. And all the exam dates are here too, exam 1, 2, and so on. These have all of the assignments in them if you click on them. The exams, these are not the exams. We will talk about the exams in a minute. These are just fillers for when I go in and enter grades. So the exam dates are June 17th and July 1st. So we have exams on, these are both on Fridays, 2 weeks apart from each other. And how this is going to work is because people are in possibly different time zones. So you'll be responsible for emailing me in advance about what time you would like to take the exam on these days. So whatever time you want to take it in your time zone, let me know and I will send you the exam at that time. And you will have 75 minutes to complete and return it to me. And what you can do is you can scan it, or you can take a picture with your phone and submit it onto Canvas, or you can email it to me. Any of those are acceptable. And if you have confusion on how to return your exam to me, please let me know. Final exam is going to be the same thing. It's on this date, but different students may be in different time zones. So please email me in advance what time you would like to take the exam on that day, and I will send it to you at whatever time you would like on that day in your time zone. You will have 110 minutes, which is an hour and 50 minutes, to complete and return the final exam. Withdraw dates. If you want to withdraw without receiving a W on your transcript, the last day to do so is Monday, June 6th, which is today if you're watching this on the first day. The last day you can withdraw with receiving a W is Friday, June 1st. And I always have this about course evaluations. You may be asked to fill one out. I don't know if they're doing course evaluations for the summer courses, but if the university does send you an evaluation to fill out, please do so. It is anonymous, and it only helps me moving forward. And then there's all the other miscellaneous Fontbonne University policies here, okay, that you can read through and ask me if there are questions on anything. Again, you do have the syllable available to you on Canvas right now. So that is the syllabus, and remember, a lot of the stuff we're going to be doing is on Canvas. All of the homeworks are on here with dates and with what the homework assignments are. We will be using the textbook. You'll see almost all of the homework assignments come with page and exercise numbers in the textbook for the homework problems, and you'll see those are the assignments. And again, you see the points for all these points do not add up to 250 like I mentioned. So where I mentioned how I'm going to calculate your homework scores, I'm going to calculate the total earned out of the total number of points possible and scale it to be out of 250. So that is going to be the trend of the course moving forward. Again, I do plan on posting videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, and I will update you all accordingly as I do that. Okay. And what I will do is, you'll have that information already, but I will set up a YouTube page where I will post all of these. And if that doesn't work for you, please let me know, and we will figure something else out. Thank you.